Hello, hosts and hospitality pioneers. I'm Shelby from IGMS, and today we're taking a deep dive into the future of the short-term rental market. By looking at the most recent updates across Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, you'll be informed of all the opportunities and threats facing hosts in 2024 and beyond. Their latest earnings have shed light on some key changes that every host should be aware of, from enhancing listing quality to adjusting pricing strategies, and even expanding into new global markets. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Airbnb is on a mission to elevate the quality of its listings. They're not just looking to match hotel standards, they want to exceed them. This initiative involves providing hosts with advanced tools to enhance their listings, ensuring every guest enjoys a consistent and high-quality experience. In fact, Airbnb is taking quality so seriously that they're spotlighting the top 5% and 1% of listings. These top stays are highlighted for guests, giving them a badge of excellence that dramatically increases their visibility and booking potential. If your listing doesn't meet Airbnb's increasing standards, there's a real risk it could be removed. That means stepping up your hosting game is more important than ever. Despite the push for luxury, Airbnb remains committed to keeping stays affordable. They're actively encouraging hosts to maintain competitive pricing to ensure the platform remains an attractive alternative to more traditional hotel stays. However, there's a delicate balance to strike here. Many hosts have addressed concerns that Airbnb's pricing recommendations might undervalue their listings. If you find yourself in this boat, consider using dynamic pricing tools like Price Labs, Wheelhouse, and beyond. These tools integrate seamlessly with platforms like IGMS, providing you with real-time data to optimally price your listings based on market demand, seasonal trends, and more. It'll let you see what the average prices and occupancy rates are for your area. So check out the link below to start your free trial. Let's pivot to Airbnb's expansion strategy. They're making significant inroads into the Latin American market and eyeing Southeast Asia as their next big opportunity. This geographic expansion represents a potential goldmine for current and aspiring hosts. For hosts, this means there could be lucrative opportunities to either start hosting in these regions or expand existing portfolios. With Airbnb's marketing muscle behind these areas, early movers could enjoy first-mover advantages in these less saturated, rapidly growing markets. Airbnb isn't just about places to stay anymore. They're transforming into a platform for unique travel experiences. With the launch of their Icon campaign featuring stays at the Ferrari Museum, the Up House, and stays with celebrities like Kevin Hart. Although only appealing to a small market of consumers, these stays helped boost Airbnb's PR efforts, which has garnered more attention than their IPO. Although currently a small part of their business, the emphasis on experiences is growing. As a host, this opens up new avenues to diversify your offerings. Whether it's hosting wine tastings, guided hikes, or cooking classes, integrating unique experiences can set your listing apart. And what about AI? While Airbnb is embracing AI to enhance the guest experience, they're going in the direction of developing an AI-powered concierge to provide tailored travel recommendations and support, all in the guest's preferred language. This kind of innovation not only improves the guest experience, but also sets a new standard for what guests might start expecting from all hosts. It's also very in line with their strategy of capturing market shares from hotels. Airbnb's strategic shifts are setting new standards and opening new opportunities in the short-term rental market. By understanding and adapting to these changes, you can position yourself to thrive in this evolving landscape. But they are not the only players in this space, with two of their main competitors making big announcements in May of 2024. So let's take a look at Booking.com and VRBO, part of the Expedia Group, two major players whose recent strategic moves are shaping the landscape for hosts like you. Whether you're already listing on or considering these platforms, understanding their strategies is key to maximizing your rental success. Let's dive into Booking.com's latest news first. Booking.com aggregates prices for hotels, flights, car rentals, and what they call alternative stays. These alternative stays typically refer to short-term stays you would see on sites like Airbnb. They have been making significant waves in this sector, reporting a 13% growth in room nights this quarter. They're clearly focusing on expanding their footprint in the short-term rental space, which they broadly categorize as alternative accommodations. This growth isn't just about numbers. It represents a strategic push to blend the lines between traditional hotels and unique lodging options like homes and apartments. Booking.com's advantage, they aggregate both hotels and short-term rentals, providing a one-stop shop for travelers comparing their options to find the best value. In the US, Booking.com is particularly bullish, enhancing its marketing efforts to draw in more property owners. They're not just growing, they're enhancing product features to make the platform even more appealing to hosts and guests alike. For hosts, this means increased visibility and potentially more bookings as Booking.com directs its considerable traffic towards alternative accommodations. Switching gears to VRBO, operated by Expedia Group, the picture is a bit different. VRBO has faced its share of challenges, particularly following a difficult technical migration that put a damper on their performance. They're trying to bounce back, increasing marketing investments to regain traction. While VRBO is doubling down on its whole home rental niche, this strategy may not be as advantageous as it seems. Focusing solely on entire homes limits VRBO's market flexibility compared to Booking.com's broader approach. This could restrict VRBO's ability to capture a wider audience, particularly as the market trends more towards diverse accommodation preferences. Despite these strategic limitations, VRBO is not standing still. They are leveraging the broader technological capabilities of Expedia Group to enhance their platform and improve the user experience. This includes faster feature rollouts and improved customer service, all aimed at recapturing and expanding their customer base. So there you have it. Booking.com is aggressively expanding its presence in the alternative accommodations market, making it an attractive platform for hosts looking to reach a broad audience. On the other hand, VRBO's focus on whole home rentals prevents both challenges and opportunities, depending on how well they can leverage their niche in a highly competitive market, all while Airbnb continues to grow. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful updates. Have any experiences with these platforms you'd like to share or questions about listing your property? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and keep hosting smart.